Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Iana in Rainbow Six Siege. Iana is a powerful attacker known for her Gemini replicator, a holographic clone that mimics her movements. This gadget is perfect for gathering crucial intel without risking your operator. You can also use it to bait enemy fire, creating openings for your team. Her loadout includes the versatile ARX-200 or the G361C, offering excellent combat flexibility. The Gemini replicator is Iana's core strength. Deploy it to safely scout rooms, hallways, and objective sites, revealing enemy locations without exposing yourself. Send the clone into a room to bait defenders into shooting it, giving away their positions. It's also excellent for triggering traps like Kapkan's entry denial devices or proximity alarms, keeping you and your teammates safe. Remember, it has a 20-second cooldown, so time your deployments wisely. Now, launch Fortnite and head into the game's settings menu. You should see an option for controller input, confirming your PS4 controller is recognized. Take some time to customize your controller settings, such as sensitivity, dead zones, and button mappings. Personalizing these settings will significantly enhance your gameplay experience, allowing for more precise movements and quicker reactions during intense battles. For advanced Iana play, synchronize your replicator with your team's movements. Send the clone in one direction to draw attention, while your team pushes from another. This creates confusion and opens up new angles of attack. Pairing Iana with intel operators like Lion or Jackal amplifies her scouting capabilities, providing a comprehensive view of enemy positions. Mastering drone usage alongside your replicator will make you an invaluable asset to any attacking team.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.